Hey there! Ready to find out what happens to your body when you jump rope for 10 minutes every day? Let's dive in. Point 1. Jumping rope is a fantastic form of cardio exercise that gets your heart pumping and blood flowing. Point 2. It can help improve your cardiovascular health and increase your overall stamina. Point 3. Jumping rope for just 10 minutes a day can burn a significant amount of calories, aiding in weight loss. Point 4. This exercise is great for toning your leg muscles, including the calves, quads, and hamstrings. Point 5. Regular jump rope sessions can also help strengthen your core muscles, including your abs and lower back. Point 6. Want to improve your coordination and balance? Jumping rope can do just that. Point 7. It's a low-impact workout, making it suitable for people of all fitness levels. Point 8. Jumping rope regularly can also help improve your bone density, making them stronger. Point 9. Did you know that jumping rope can enhance your cognitive function and brain health? Point 10. Lastly, jumping rope is a great way to reduce stress and improve your mood. So grab a rope and start jumping. Enjoy the benefits. Remember, all it takes is consistency and determination to achieve your fitness goals. Subscribe to our channel now and hit the notification bell to never miss an update on the latest health and fitness insights. Stay tuned to discover more tips, tricks, and exercises that will help you lead a happier, healthier life.